Good morning. My name is Tarshanaa and I am 9 years old. It gives me great pleasure to share this story with you. One beautiful spring day, a red rose blossomed in the field. As the rose looked around, a pine tree nearby said, "What a beautiful flower! I wish I was that lovely." Another tree said, "Don't be sad. We cannot have everything." The rose turned and remarked, "It seems that I'm the most beautiful flower of this forest." The sunflower raised its yellow head and asked, "Why do you say that? In this world we have many beautiful flowers, and you are just one of them." "I see everyone looking at me." Then the rose looked at the cactus and said, "Look at that ugly plant full of thorns." The pine tree said, "Red rose, what kind of talk is this? Who can say what beauty is? You have thorns too." The plant rose looked angrily at the pine tree and said, "I thought you had good taste. You don't know what beauty is at all. You cannot compare my thorns to that cactus." What a proud flower, thought the trees. The red rose tried to move its roots away from the cactus, but it could not move. As the days passed, the red rose would look at the cactus and say insulting things like, "This plant is useless. How sorry I am to be its neighbor." But the cactus never gets upset and tries to advise the rose by saying, "God did not create any form of life without a purpose." One day, the red rose saw sparrow stick its into the cactus and fly away refreshed. It was puzzling to the rose. The pine tree explained that the birds were getting their water from the cactus. "Doesn't it not hurt when they make holes?" thought the cactus. "Yes, but the cactus does not like to see the birds suffer." The red rose opened its eyes in wonder and exclaimed, "The cactus has water!" "Yes, you can drink from it," said the pine. "The sparrow can bring you water and water the roots. Why? But you have to ask the cactus for help." The proud rose was too ashamed to ask for water from the cactus, but finally it did ask for help. Cactus agreed. Cactus finally agreed. The birds filled their beaks with water and watered the rose's roots. Moral of the story: never judge anyone by its appearance. Thank you.